When you sign up to sell on eBay, you get a default type of account. Unless you've taken the step to upgrade to a store account, this is what you'll have. I'll talk about what stores are and when and why you might want one in other videos. Like all eBay selling accounts, your default account comes with a pallet of fees associated with your selling activity, which is, of course, how eBay makes their money. Here's how it breaks down. The insertion fee is for creating a listing. On your default account, the first 50 listings you create do not incur an insertion fee. Each listing over 50 is 35 cents each. Even if you've listed over 50 items, there are no insertion fees to list guitars, bass guitars, or sneakers that are priced over $100. The final value fee is charged when an item sells. It's calculated as a percentage of the sale price, including any shipping costs charged to the buyer. The percentage is different depending on what category the item sells in. For most categories you're likely to sell in, the final value fee will be 10%, capped at a maximum of $750. It's 12% for books, movies, and most music. Guitars and basses are 3.5%, and those more than $100 sneakers are 0%. The payment processing fee is charged by PayPal for handling the buyer's payment for you. As of the time of this recording, the PayPal fee is 30 cents per item plus 2.9% of the purchase and shipping price. If you're using eBay's managed payment systems, the fees will be different. However, as of this filming, you have to opt into managed payments, so you're probably still using the traditional PayPal system. If you'd like to download this infographic that I've been referring to, the link is down below. The only other fees that you might be subject to are for optional listing features and promotions you might choose to add. These are for things like adding bold to your title, running a short 1 to 3 day auction, listing an item in more than one category, or scheduling your listing start time. Like in the video about how to create your first listing, I'm going to suggest that you don't choose to use any of these features, as the costs add up and aren't generally worth it. Promotions are when you optionally choose to have eBay highlight your listing in exchange for giving them a bigger cut of the selling price if and when it sells. This is a controversial tactic in terms of potential usefulness to your business, but I'll talk about that in a later video. Finally, a quick way to get more familiar with fees is to check out how you were charged for something you sold recently. Go to eBay Help and type selling fees in the search bar. You'll then be able to select a recently sold item and see how the fees break down. The long and short of it with fees is that you should understand what they are, at least to be able to estimate your costs, so that you can make sure to price your items in a way to make the profit you want. Again, download my infographic on eBay fees with the link down below, and have fun selling.